Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to stretch an image in Canva like a pro. Whether you're creating social media graphics, presentations, or any design project, knowing how to adjust your images gives you complete creative control. By the end of this video, you'll be able to stretch images perfectly without losing your design flow. Let's dive in. Selecting the image first, open your Canva project and pick the image you want to stretch. Simply click on it and you'll see the resize handles appear, those little dots at the corners and sides of your image. These are your main tools for resizing and stretching, using resize handles. Now, here's how these handles work. The corner handles let you adjust both height and width at the same time, keeping your image's original proportions intact. The side handles, however, stretch only one dimension, either width or height. This is perfect if you want a creative effect like making an image taller, wider, or even slightly distorted for a unique look. Advanced control tips. If you want total control over stretching, here's a pro tip. Hold the Shift key while dragging a handle. This overrides Canva's default aspect ratio lock, letting you stretch your image freely in any direction. Also, make use of Canva's guidelines and snapping features. They're perfect for aligning your stretch image precisely with other elements in your design, keeping everything balanced and visually appealing. Finalizing the adjustment. Once you've stretched your image to your liking, click outside the image to deselect it and preview your design. If something looks off, just reselect the image and fine-tune it until it feels just right. Remember, subtle adjustments can make a huge difference in creating a professional-looking design. And that's it. Stretching images in Canva is that simple, but it opens up a world of creative possibilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy Canva tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.